Hello and welcome to Tech. I am Mohammad Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about upload is missing in Power Apps. Now how you are going to upload your files, images in Power Apps. So this is the important thing. Nowadays every industry was moving towards Power Apps little or more into the business applications. So it is good to know about how we can upload the files in Power Apps without that option. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. Right now I am into my Power Apps Studio online, and here if you want to upload a file, an image, you can go to media here and then you can use image and you can add that into that, right? If you want to just add any static image. But whereas if you want to add other things, then how you are going to do that? You don't have kind of attachment control in Power Apps or the kind of upload options. Here the import and export is something which you can, if I mouse over here, if you can see, allow users to import data exported from another Power Apps app. Set its property to determine how this control looks and behaves. So here let users export data so it can be used in another Power apps. So this is not something which we are using it for now, and the main purpose of us is we need to upload a document like PDF, Excel kind of thing. So in that case what we can do is there is an easiest way which you can use that. So basically as everybody is using, most of the people are using this Office 365 license, so they might have of this SharePoint access. So recently they have introduced this SharePoint list, whereas you can create any list and then you can use it inside to the Power Apps and everything. So like the same way I have created this employee list. Here I just added employee code, employee name, date of birth, date of joining, and the image link just as a separate column, right? So if I add this data into my Power Apps, on the data tab, if you can see, I can click on add data and then search for SharePoint. And once I click here, then I'm able to click on my employee list or document here, which I have added here, right? Let me just do it again. So click here and SharePoint. If I double click here, then it will open up on the right side where I need to pass my URL of a SharePoint. And once I pass this one, then it will give me the available options inside to that. So let me just add that also. So this is the place. And if I go back here, click here and connect, then this will be give me the available options like here the document and employee list, which I have already added. So I'm not going to add anything else. If you want to add like this, you can click on these options and then add. So like the same way I have added it here, and now I go to forms and then click on edit forms. So here it is on the screen. Let me realign this, and I need to connect to the data for this edit form. So on the right side, I have this data source. If I click on none, then this will give me the available options which I have. Here I am going to select employee list. Once I click here, it will try to look into what are the things which you have, and then it will load all the available fields inside to this option with a text box and with a label. See, we can see this employee code, employee name, date of joining, image link. And here you can see one more options, which is attachments. This is really cool, right? If I just run this application now, so now to run this one, I just need to change the default mode from edit to new and then click on run. Here is the one. Now if I click on attach file, then the beauty of this one is I can see it here all files. It's not just only an image kind of thing. I can upload anything like the image, text, flat file, and Excel, PDF also. And even I can connect multiple files at a time. So if I click here, then it's added here. And also if I click again here, something else like my image itself, and it's going to add here. So we can save this document one by one if required. So I'm closing this now. We don't need these things here for now. And then what we can do, we'll just click here and remove all the other things which I don't need here. Like this thing, these things, these things. I just need only this, and I am going to change the column from 3 to 1 here so that it can fit, and I'm going to realign this, and then I'm going to use the same thing in my further projects as an attachment kind of thing. If you like this trick, please hit the like button so that it can reach out to many other people who can access this feature. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.